उसके बाद कैसे ग्रेजुअली इम्प्रूव हुआ? फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस, सेकंड, पहले यूनिवर्सिटी शोज से, और व्हेन वाज योर रियल टाइम परफॉर्मेंस जो पहली बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिक के सामने हो?
देखिए, पब्लिक के सामने तो मेरी अल्लाह का शुक्र है बहुत सारी परफॉर्मेंसेस हुई, बट आई हैड टू फेस ग्रेट एम्बैरेसमेंट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन टेलीविजन. I was recommended to Mr. Amir Imam, Sayyid Amir Imam, the one-time PTV producer and retired as one of the directors of PTV. I was introduced by Santosh Russell to him, and she said that Moeen is an excellent stage actor, artist, and he's very good at his stand-up comedy. So why don't you try him? And let him act as well. Let us explore this quality of his. So at that time, I used to do impersonations. So I started talking in Wahid Murad Saab's voice, and then Muhammad Ali, because I never had a practical experience of acting. I never faced a camera before. That was for the first time ever I faced the camera. This was in 1967. And the kind of language was used by Sayyid Amir Imam, it was disgusting and it was totally embarrassing. And he said ke ji, if we need Muhammad Ali, we'll call him. If we need Wahid Murad, we'll call him. If we need Larry, we'll call him. We want you to do what you are. I said, sorry sir, I am so inexperienced, I cannot do this. I cannot do your way, I can do it my way.
तो उस वक्त impersonation का जो है मतलब नहीं पता था सबको. It was something so unique that actually you were
unique. And you see, impersonation have never been recognized as an art.
Exactly.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
अब I used to do impersonations, but not anymore. You see, I do impersonations now as fun, but I don't do it as a profession. I do it in a different way. Now I play characters, and the characters, alhamdulillah, I have played, like my present program which is being aired for the past 6 years now, Loose Talk. Usme I have disguised myself into how many characters? 340 or 338 characters.
तो इंडिविजुअलाइजेशन कैसे करते हैं हर कैरेक्टर के साथ? I mean, how can you be so different, and you have been in each of your character?
देखिए, I used to hear this word God gifted. So I used to say कि जी हर आदमी ये बोल देता है God gifted है. बेशक God gifted ही होता है सब कुछ. And what is God gifted thing that I understood by performing Loose Talk? Yani every week Anwar Maqsood writes a different topic, and you see, I am never given a script even a day before recording. It is at the spur of the moment. He brings it there at the 11th hour and says कि ये करना है. तो अब वो उसको वहाँ पढ़ता हूँ मैं. पढ़ने के बाद टोन उसका, टेम्पो सेट किया, कैसे बोलना है, मेकअप का अच्छा ये लगा लेते हैं, एक आँख ये कर लेते हैं, या फ्रेंच बियर्ड लगा लेता हूँ, इधर ये कर देता हूँ, इधर एक स्कार डाल लेता. तो वो करते 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 वो अभी तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है इतने सारे कर लिए. और जब मैंने उनको देखा, आदमी को अपने किए काम की तारीफ नहीं करनी चाहिए, लेकिन मुझसे जब लोगों ने इतनी तारीफ करते थे तो अब मैंने उसको बैठ के ध्यान से देखा.
ठीक है.
और मुझे अल्लाह ताला पे बहुत प्यार आया, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, कि अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे इतनी सलाहियत दी है कि मैं ये सब कुछ कर सका. और एट द ट्वाइलाइट ऑफ माई करियर आई थिंक आई हैव प्लेड एन एक्सीलेंट इनिंग.
आपके पेरेंट्स ने कब वो चीज़ एक्सेप्ट की फाइनली दैट यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट?
वो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. Finally, he had to accept it that I am an actor now. I am in show business. So then he used to have full queries for me. किधर गया था, किधर आया, क्या किया, वो किया. What is the time? Is this the time to come home? And blah blah. Finally, he started compromising, and he compromised to a level where he just kept quiet, and he was an excellent observer. He is an excellent observer. Alhamdulillah. I love them and they love me. And what I am today, I am because of their prayers as well. And so, I was doing a show for President Zia. तो he said के कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैंने कहा I'm going to the show for President. तो कहने लगे कि अच्छा मैं भी चलूँगा. मैंने कहा जी वो तो बड़ा सिक्योरिटी वगैरह वो है, उन्होंने पहले से उसके दावतनामे और वो करके दिए हैं. तो मुझसे कहने लगे तुम्हें कौन रोकेगा? So I could feel the pride of a father.
Right.
You are a known man, who is going to stop you? I said नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. There is a law and we should abide the law. And I am a gallant and worthy citizen. I should. तो मैंने कहा I'll speak to the concerned authorities and let me see if they can issue me a pass. Though the time was very short, but I contacted them and they said, Moin Akhtar Sahab, your father is more than welcome and no problem. We'll intimate. We don't have time to make all those what do you call passes and all. So, but they informed the forces.
तो पहली performance अपने father के साथ थी आप?
नहीं उनको दिखाया. So then I said to President, मैंने कहा sir, my father is also gracing the. So President was sitting and then the military, the ADC came to me at the backstage and said, President wants to talk to you. So I had to walk in and then so he got up. Jasa was very nice to us, to all the artists, in fact. And he said कि भाई बहुत खुशी होती है. तो मैंने कहा sir, my father wants to meet you. He's there. So he was in the third row. So he said, the President Sahab was trying to go to his seat. Then अब्बा आगे बढ़े तो उन्होंने मेरे अब्बा से कहा कि भाई आपके साहबजादे जो हैं वो तो बड़े talented आदमी हैं. He was so happy. But then one day when he got the news that I have received the President Award for the Pride of Performance, he was very happy, he was full of joy and happiness. And then when I got the Sitara Imtiaz, then my mother said that he was all with tears in his eyes and he said कि अल्लाह ने देखो उसको कितनी इज्जत दी है और अब वो कहते हैं अल्लाह तुम्हारी इज्जत में और इजाफा करे.